number of replication in Arena using Excel VBA. So I'm gonna show you the program first. So if I have my data, which is a form of Excel that's been done by applying VBA under Excel. So I'm gonna show you like a brief examples here. I'm gonna delete this. So if we consider, so we have here 4 iterations. The Excel is gonna read those values as a resource capacity in a system, and then it will write back to Excel the average waiting time in the queue, but it will run the system 4 times as replication number, 4 times as you could see it here 4. So I'm gonna close this and I'll show you in a second what will happen. So if I run today, so you can see the system, it will run 4 times. I'm gonna make it so you could see the system, it will run 4 times. Just waiting for it as my computer is a little bit slow. So we have like 1 replication out of 4, and each replication is 840 minutes. So we have, now this is a replication, and this is the second replication, and as I said, my computer is a little bit slow. After every replication, it will open the Excel, right into Excel, and save the Excel file. So this is the second replication, and you just have to wait a little bit. If you're using a faster computing, it will be much easier. So this is the second replication. Now in a second you see the third and the fourth replication, and the Arena will itself open the Excel file. It will write into the Excel file, save as a file in Excel, and then you can see here the number of resources used here as the one provided by the Excel, This is the third out of 4. Okay, and we still got a final iteration. It will happen in a second. So this is number 4, the 4th iteration. Okay, and the system stopped. So I'm gonna go to the Excel, go back to the Excel file, and you could see for 4 iteration we got the values here. Okay, as the values needed here as average time spent queuing for all systems we have, saying if this is equal to 4, and we do get iteration. So we have number of replication, for example 40. I'm gonna show you in a second. So the replication number is 40. So if you come back to the Arena file, would expect the system to run 40 times. Would expect the system to run to 40 times, and the value provided as a resource, as you could see here, the self check. This is the self time arrival. So processing time is the value provided in Excel. Okay, so those values are one provided in Excel, and those are values as capacity of the system, I'll show it to you in a second, are as well the value provided in Excel. So if I run this program, so this Arena using the Visual Basic, I'll show it to you in a second. It will link to Excel, read the data from Excel, apply data in the Arena model, and then write back to Excel, and then save as the value as it is. So we have 1 iteration out of 40, and it's going to take a little second because it will open Excel, write into Excel, save Excel, and then start the second replication, as you would see here in this box. So we have 1 out of 40, now we have 2 out of 40, all the way till it stops. Okay,